If you have a significant experience in operations and maintenance of bulk chemicals facilities or operational laboratories, or effluent water disposal plants or pressure maintenance plants, etc., then get excited, as today we have got large vacancies for numerous job positions which are from prestigious Kuwait based company. The company has high demand of manpower for their KOC project known as Plant Operation and Maintenance Project. Shortlisting is actively taking place in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi, and final interview is going to be conducted by the end of this November. Hunt's Job Commercials will provide a step-by-step guide in this video to help you secure this opportunity. Make sure to watch until the end for all the crucial details. Before we dive into the details of today's job opportunity, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel where we provide daily updates on overseas jobs. You can easily join the channel by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen. Friends, name of the company is HISCO, which stands for Heavy Engineering Industries and Shipbuilding Company. The company is established in 1974 and now it is a major engineering, procurement and construction, that is EPC contracting company based in Kuwait with a diversified range of business in oil and gas, petrochemicals, power, pressure equipment manufacturing, shipbuilding and repair, dredging and marine construction, civil construction, maintenance and other industrial services including heavy industry projects. With a reputation for excellence, HISCO is now on the lookout for talented individuals to join the KOC project. The job location is in Kuwait, and now let's see the list of job positions. Please note them carefully. Laboratory technician, field operator, instrument technician, analyzer technician, fiber optic technician, RTRP or RTP pipe fitter, HDPE pipe fitter, fabricator, pipe or structural, scaffolder, helper, chemical handling, cost control engineer, engineer 3 multidiscipline, safety officer NABOSH, engineer 3 scaffolding supervisor, engineer 3 electrical, operator 1, operator 2, secretary, chemist, senior technical assistant, senior instrument analyzer technician, lead or senior instrument technician, instrument fitter, lead or senior instrument analyzer technician, lead or senior fiber optic technician, mechanical charge hand or foreman, mechanical technician, mechanical fitter, welder stainless steel, TIG and arc welder, lead or senior electrical technician, industrial electrician, electrical fitter, assistant industrial electrician, mechanical labor and assistant or helper. Friends, these were all the job positions. Now let's know how to apply for them. But before applying, it's important to keep certain things in mind, such as candidates should have experience in operations and maintenance of bulk chemicals facilities or operational laboratories or effluent water disposal plants or pressure maintenance plants, etc. Also, you must have Gulf experience in similar types of projects and should have relevant educational qualifications. Talking about the salary, if you have the required qualifications, skills and experience, then you don't have to worry, because the company will offer you an attractive salary package and you can also negotiate it with the company with respect to your experience. Now, if you are still wondering to apply, then let me tell you about some great benefits that are waiting for you. To all the selected candidates, the company will provide benefits like food allowance, accommodation allowance and free transportation facilities. Also, the company will ensure your medical insurance and provide you paid leaves. If you do overtime, then as per Kuwait labor law, those benefits will be provided too. So here's a golden opportunity to join a dynamic team and make a significant impact on the growth of a leading Kuwait company, HISCO. If this sounds like the perfect fit for you, don't delay, just apply now. We have previously mentioned that the shortlisting process is already underway at SMAX offices in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. To get shortlisted for this opportunity, kindly send your CV to the contact information provided on the screen. We hope that if you get shortlisted, then your final interview will be conducted by the end of this November in Mumbai, Baroda, Chennai and Kochi. Stay in touch with Hunts of Commercials by subscribing to our YouTube channel, where you can discover a consistent stream of overseas job opportunities. Furthermore, keep yourself informed about the latest job openings by following our social media channels. You can easily find all the relevant links in the video description. Don't forget that you have the option to sign up for free on our official website www.huntsjob.com to browse and directly submit application for the overseas jobs of your interest. We appreciate your continued support with us. Thank you for being with us. Take care.